Hello, today I'm going to solve my homework 3. So let's begin with the first question. It is asking, we have a language, contains A and B. First letter of W is same as the last letter, okay? We have 3 situations in here. And first, let's look at first. If start with A, okay, let's start with A. We say A or B, okay, and as many as we said, and A, okay. Let's start with A and end with A. Start with B. B, A or B. Star, okay, it's 0 or 1, I don't care. One or many, we don't care. Let's start with B and end with B. And the third and fourth situation is it can only be A or it can only be B. If you want, you can write this side by side, okay? Let's continue with the second question. I will clear page and second question. At least 2 B's and at least 1 A. Okay, it will it will be very long, so that let's break up third part. And first catch patterns where A comes before both B's, okay? When A comes before both B's. Yes, thinner pencil. It will be star A. I will use that a lot, so that just copy and paste it here, okay? Or B and B, then again A or B, star, and B, then A or B again, okay? Then the second part. Catch patterns. Where A between 2B. A between 2B. Okay. Let's copy the first one. Copy and paste. Okay. Then change the A between 2B, so that it will go like this. B, A, B. Okay. It's 2B and at least 1A. Then third part. A comes after both B. A comes after 2B, so that let's copy this, paste it here, and just change B, give me my pencil, B and A, okay? That's it. It's a very good question. Let's clean it up and continue with the third question. Does not contain BAA as a substring, okay? Then first let's understand what we want to avoid. We need to prevent the sequence BAA from appearing anywhere in the world. BAA, we don't want it, okay? After B, we can have most 1A. Here's the solution. A or B. Then B, A, sorry, yes, or A, sorry, B, doesn't matter, and A or B, yes, BAA, but sorry, I want to pause the video. Okay, it takes a lot, sorry, but I have figured if I give B star, okay, and BA, or B star and B star, it avoids BAA. Okay. Then continue with the second question. Describe English language represented by each following regular expression. Okay, I have stopped video and try solve every question. Okay, I have solved the other questions. Let's continue with the first question. It's a string which contain at least 2 B's and at most 1 A. Okay. This union expressions define strings that have at least 2 occurrence of B. The sections B star, AB, B star, and B star B, BAB, and B star BAB. Each includes 1A variously positioned within sequence of B, while the BBB star path ensures that are at least 1B consecutively without any A. The commonly in this expression that any of these patterns will have no more than 1A and at least 2B, whether A is present or not. Okay, so that it's string contain at least 2 B's is at most 1A. Yes, the other question expression covers all possible strings made up A and B, as you see, A and B, made up of A and B that begins with either an A or a B and may be followed by sequence of A and B, including none due to the star. Since every non-empty string of A's and B's starting with A or B, potentially followed by any combination of A and B, fits this pattern, it represents all possible non-empty strings. Okay, you cannot make an empty string alphabet over A and B. Okay, solutions: all string except the empty string. Okay, or epsilon. The other question. So the first part start with A and ends with a B. Okay, and may have any sequence of A and B between. Okay, any sequence of A and B between. The second part starts with B and ends with A, and with any sequence of A and B between. Okay, Combined, these expressions cover all non-empty strings, where first character is different from the last character, specifically starting with A and ending with B. Starting with A, ending with B, starting with B, ending with A. These descriptions the language consists of non-empty strings where first and last letter different. Okay, first and last letter different. Yes, that's all. That was good homework. Thank you for your time and sorry for late submission, sir.